Alright guys, came here with Sue Ellen. It's called Twin City Habit of Humanity Restore. So they donate stuff and you can come in here on the GoPro 10 here. So they have about 3 or 4. I saw somebody on YouTube have to do something like this in Arizona. So, a cool place. It's not bad for it's $55. That's pretty good. Kind of cool. Well, I guess if you're a single man, maybe you're the big stuff. $30. Bed frames at the Yin Yang. So if you come in here and you want $45. It's kind of cool like this. Probably stuff like this. Let's say you're a YouTuber, you want to put your thing right there and you can put your computer on there and do your editing. I love old furniture. All the old lights. Like I always say, when it comes to relationships, there's a key for every lock, and you want something that's kind of cool. You get a cabin or something. $35 for that stuff. That's kind of cool. That's also she didn't tell me we were going, so I said I'm gonna bring my camera just in case. All the kind of lights. Clean. You can have these kind of places where it can be clean. And you can have Goodwills too as well, and they can be clean. You don't need junk everywhere. It's kind of cool. This is $75. That's not bad at all. Those are kind of cool. So you have, this is kind of the rough contractor stuff you can come in and get. There's a place called Axeman that has all kinds of stuff. More furniture over here. I like how it's organized. It's not just tossed around. What do you think? So if you don't have a big enough car, she said you can save for 3 days. Someone come to get it. $55. Get around here. Different kind of couches. I mean, if you like a certain color.
No, that was
Is that a futon? Oh. You got mirrors. Yo. All kinds of. That's kind of cool. That's nice. Right down there. 57 shove. That's cool. That's an iconic picture. $3. You like her? That's an iconic of her. If you're a NASCAR idiot, $5 for that. All the old school guys. It's like a garage. That's a cool picture. Paint. cabin. They have doors here. I think it'll be like a lot of overstock or something. Habitat for Humanity. So I think companies will like say here they'll donate to see you right off. There's a nice big chair there for you, girl. Giant chair not for sale. That's too bad. It's boy only. My name is Restore Reggie. Huh. It's a decent price for some of this stuff. I think it's kind of a cool store. Good idea. Good surprise, Rowan. What?
No.
These tie downs are a good price. 18 bucks, that's a good price for those. $1 getting ready for the winter time. Different kind of chairs.
You have to come back through in 2 hours and redo that.
Why?
Because we go through stuff so quick.
Oh, do you? Yeah. It's kind of cool. A lot of stuff get donated by business or what?
Businesses, most of our donations come from just everyday people.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I like how it's clean. Good job. I like it. It's clean. It's not just thrown around like a Goodwill. And those things are pretty inexpensive. The drawers.
The what?
The what do you call those things? Dressers are pretty inexpensive.
Cans of paint up there?
Yeah.
18 bucks?
Is that expensive?
No. I mean, like just put it in your garage, you know?
Oh, yeah.
I mean,
25 bucks, yeah.
like, you know, like this, double one.
Yeah. Well, like I
It's a
said,
vanity, but
yeah, this is kind of nice. No, they price this stuff to sell. They don't. They probably get it donated, you know. And then what the hell? You know, the refrigerators are dented, so what? More washers and dryers. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, these are pretty cool. I like these. Those are nice.
like have down in the laundry room.
What?
To have in the laundry
Oh
room.
god, yeah. Very nice. 85 bucks.
65. 65.
Yeah, not bad at all. That's nice. I love these. These are cool. I love these. Are ingenious.
And everything wouldn't get dusty.
This is something at the cabin. Very nice.
Do you bolt this to the wall?
Yeah, I probably could. More of your favorite refrigerators.
This is tempting. This is tempting.
Yep.
This is tempting.
Yep. Very nice. I like that. It's nice. These are very nice. All kinds of fun stuff. Yep. Yeah, they got a bunch of stuff here. You got those You want those? I love all this stuff. You've bought those before. Hard hats. I think a habit. I think of Jimmy Carter.
What?
Jimmy Carter. What he did a habit hat.
Yeah. I just need some screws. I need shorter screws for this.
Yeah. And these are somewhat used, but you know, probably could. Air tanks. So if you're a contractor, you come on in here and look for stuff. So yeah, something different for you guys. All right.